So hello guys, today I am doing a review of Intex Caliber mechanical keyboard, which is by far the cheapest mechanical keyboard right now in the market. So the price of this keyboard is around 1400. I got it from Zepto, but you can also get it from GeoMart from around to 1200 from sale and all sales if there is any like discount. So it is a pretty good keyboard. You can see it has blue switches, and the build quality is also quite decent. It has different modes like this. Clicking sound is also quite satisfying. So if you want to connect this keyboard, it has uh, many options. Like you can connect up to 3 devices with Bluetooth and one with dongle, and there is also an option for wired connectivity. So for connecting with Bluetooth, you have to press function and press the Bluetooth button for some time, and you can see it starts blinking really fast. Now it goes into pairing mode. Now you can connect it with any device that has Bluetooth, like your mobile phone or laptop or PC, and it has three connectivity options. You can connect basically three devices with this keyboard from. So basically this is, I think that it is a really good keyboard for the price that it comes in. The typing experience is also pretty good. The only drawback is that the build quality, it's not that great, but it's worth it, I guess. And the battery backup is also, I think, is pretty good. Like I have played games till 4 to 5 hours, like PUBG and all, PGMI, from this keyboard, and still I haven't charged it uh, once. So yeah, you can buy it if you want. It is available on GeoMart, Flipkart, Zepto, and Linkit and all. Okay, thank you.